Good morning, students. So in this video classes we will learn about the impact of British rules. So here how British were implemented the land tax policy. Why land taxes policy started? What are the reasons for implemented the land taxes policy? Because British wanted to capture the whole land by zamindaris, and they wanted to control the whole land. So land taxes policy scheme has been brought by Britishers. So there are the three important land tax systems are there. First year, permanent zamindari systems. Now, what are the features of permanent zamindari systems? Let's see here one by one. So here, permanent zamindari systems were implemented by whom? Lord Cornwallis. So, in the year 1973, in Bengal and Bihar regions were started. So as per permanent zamindari systems says that land belongs to zamindaris. Land belongs to zamindaris. Those who are doing work in field, they became the land owner. So here what happened? Zamindari became land owner, but zamindari did not use the land for plugging. Zamindari given to whom? To farmers. Farmer has to plug the land. So what happened here? Here British has made one tricks, that the landowner has to pay taxes to British government. So here, if they do not pay the land tax to British government, automatically land was taken away from farmers. And here, if the farmers unable to pay the land taxes, automatically what happened? Land has been taken to British by the hands of farmers. So what happened? As per these rules, many landowners lost their land because they were unable to pay the land taxes due to flood and heavy rains. If flood came, if heavy rains came, what happened? Automatically the whole crops were devastated. If the whole crops were devastated, automatically the farmer became empty hand. If the farmers became empty hand, automatically they are able to pay the land taxes to British government. So here what happened? So zamindari and who here farmers became exploited. That's why their aim is only to capture the land from British. One side taxes, one side land. So both are went to British hand freely. So this is the first land tax system. It is permanent zamindari systems. Now we go for Mahalwari systems. So British thought that we have to collect the tax from farmers. So here the British were divide the area into taluk. So here Mahal means taluk. So now there are so many taluks are in our country. But earlier British had made many taluks. So here British aims only to collect the tax from farmers as well as zamindaris So here what happened? They brought Mahalwari systems. So this scheme was made by whom? R.M. Bird and James Thomson in Madhya Pradesh and Punjab. So here the farmers belongs to zamindaris, but here farmers what happened has to pay the tax to zamindaris. Then zamindari has to pay tax to British government. This is a chain systems. So here farmers were exploited. So here zamindaris taken the heavy tax from farmers, but zamindari paid the tax to British government normally. So here what happened? Zamindari became rich people. So here farmers were exploited. They became poor people. That's why this system became very worse for Indian farmers and Indians became very poor. So here this system is very devastated to whom? Indian farmers. Now we go for last systems. It is Raitwari system. So this scheme was introduced by whom? Alexander Reed in the year 1792. Under this scheme, farmers and company were directly linked. Earlier scheme was farmer has to pay the tax to zamindaris. Zamindari has to pay the tax to British government. But here not like that. Farmers have to pay the tax to company directly. There is no broker. There was no agent. So here what happened? Farmers became landowners. So here when these schemes came to India, what happened? Indian farmers became rich because there is no brokers. So this scheme helps to encourage our here poor people. That's why it is very important. So that here we must learn and we must compare what are the difference between permanent systems, then here Raitwari systems. So here these are the important land taxes policy. So in my next